Hello students, today we will learn about the new Holy Roman Emperor Charlie Magne. Okay, Pope Leo III crowned Charlie Magne as the first Holy Roman Emperor in 800 AD. Why he was called holy, which means sacred? Because when he was getting the position of Roman Emperor, Pope Leo III gave him blessings. Okay, and he was the first Roman emperor who got blessings. Okay, that's why he called Holy Roman Emperor. He united the majority of Western and Central Europe, and after getting the position of Holy Roman, after getting the position of Roman Emperor, Charlie Magne united majority of Western and Central part of Europe. Christianity became the framework of life in Europe, and the Christian religion became the structure of living in Europe. A number of schools were founded, and many Gothic cathedrals and churches were built all over the empire. And many Christian schools and Gothic cathedrals mean big churches, and churches were built all over the empire. Okay, many Christian schools, churches were built in the Roman Empire. It is claimed as one of the oldest cathedral in Europe was constructed by the order of Charlie Magne, and it is believed that the oldest cathedral or church in Europe was constructed by the order of Charlie Magne, who was the first Holy Roman Emperor in Europe, who was buried there after his death. And after the death of Charlie Magne, he was buried in that church for which he gave the order to build. Artists and artisans made beautiful paintings with great skills, and in that period many skilled artisans and artists were there, and they built and they created many beautiful paintings to be used in the religious service. Okay, like in churches, in temples, they used to put that paintings made by these artists and artisans. After this, the Middle Ages was dominated by the clergy and the religious orders of the monks who influenced the life of the people and their government. And the Middle Age was ruled by the clergies. Clergy means pastors and religious orders of the monks. Monks means the person who is the leader of that religion. Okay, influence the life of the people and their government, and they had a great influence in the life of the people and their government. Next is medieval Europe. The city Constantinople became a famous center of Christianity, and the city Constantinople which was named after the Roman Emperor Constantine. It became the famous center of the Christianity. Why? Because a large number of Christians used to live there. The western part of the Roman Empire was destroyed by the barbaric invasions. Barbaric means uncivilized or asabhya in Hindi. And the western part of the empire was destroyed by the uncivilized inventions. Invention means creations. Okay. The Eastern Roman Empire, with its capital at Constantinople, existed till 1453 AD. And the Eastern Roman Empire existed till 1453 AD. Okay. The fall of Constantinople in the hands of the Turks in 1453 AD, and the downfall of the Constantinople occurred in 1453 AD. Why? Because the Roman Empire fall down in this period and the power reached in the hands of Turks. Okay. And this was the important event in the history of Europe. During this time, Byzantine Empire was a vast empire and Constantinople was the largest city in Europe. And in this time, 1453 AD, Byzantine was the vast empire. Vast means a big empire. And Constantinople was the largest city in Europe. The downfall of the Roman Empire resulted in a great confusion in the Western Europe, giving rise to a large number of small states. And the downfall of the Roman Empire resulted in great confusion in the Western Europe, giving rise to a large number of small states. As the downfall happened in the eastern part of the Roman Empire, many small states rise in the western part of the Europe. The large Roman Empire broke up after the death of Emperor Charlemagne. And as the Roman Empire, Charlemagne died, at that time the Roman Empire fall down. Okay. By 1000 AD, a new empire called the Holy Roman Empire came into existence. And after the death of Charlemagne, a new Roman Empire came into existence, which is called Holy Roman Empire in 1000 AD. And it extended over Germany and Austria. And that Holy Roman Empire extended in all over Germany and Austria.